হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ডস, ওয়েলকাম টু মাই চ্যানেল লার্ন উইথ শাহিন। আমি শাহিন। গতকাল ভিডিও দিয়েছিলাম ২০-২২ মামলার আজ শুনানি ছিল। আপনারা প্রত্যেকেই অবগত, মামলার শুনানি সম্পন্ন হয়েছে। তো শুনানিতে কি হয়েছে সেটা তো লাইভ ভিডিও আমি দেবই। থাম্বনেল দেখে নিশ্চয়ই বুঝতেই পারছেন, সুপার নিউমেরিক পোস্ট ক্রিয়েট করার কথা বলা হয়েছে, যেটা গভর্নমেন্টের পক্ষ থেকে আজ সিনিয়র অ্যাডভোকেট দেওয়া হয়েছিল। তিনি বারবার সুপার নিউমেরিক পোস্ট তৈরি করার কথা বলেছেন এবং তারপর ২০-২২-এর যে সমস্ত প্রার্থীরা কাট অফ ক্লিয়ার করেছে, আগের ভিডিওতে আমি জানিয়েছি কতজন কাট অফ ক্লিয়ার করেছে, তো তাদের চাকরিটা দিতে চাই সরকার, সেই কথা জানিয়েছে সুপ্রিম কোর্টের অবজারভেশনে থেকে। তো বিচারপতি মহাশয় যারা ছিলেন তারা পুরোটাই সরকার এবং পর্ষদের হাতে ছেড়েছেন। অর্ডার কপি এলে আরও বিস্তারিত অর্ডার কপিতে ঠিক কী লেখা রয়েছে সেটা আমি আপনাদের জানিয়ে দেব। আর 9533 নিয়ে অনেকের চিন্তা ছিল, সেই কারণেই কাল থেকে প্রচুর ফোন, SMS সব কিছুই হয়েছে। তো এই শুনানির পর আপনারা নিজেরাই বুঝতে পারবেন 9533 প্যানেল সুরক্ষিত কি সুরক্ষিত নয়। তো চলুন লাইভটা দেখে নিন।
Lord, this is that contempt in that Calcutta teachers matter.
He's held up.
Yes, Kunal, what is to be done?
Gupta is bleeding in another court.
What is to be done?
Lordship may pass it over now.
Lord,
Because I'm appearing for the state.
they have filed an affidavit, Lord.
Vacancies from the state. We have filed it.
Because there is a problem, Lord, which I wanted to indicate, and I seek some indulgence from your lordship.
What happened? What's the difficulty now?
Lordship,
You've done
The
nothing.
the difficulty is, Lord, that
Appearing in 56.4.
File a counter.
I have filed a counter.
Have you seen it?
I've seen it. The board has filed a short affidavit. Board says we are writing to the government that in this
Who
Bengali.
is appearing for the government?
because I'm appearing for the government, Lord, the lordship's indulgence digital.
File a counter. Tell us what exactly is the problem.
Lord, sir, the problem in this case is, Lord, that because of the earlier interim order passed by this court, Lord, large number of vacancies had already been filled up. So now we seek your lordship's permission, Lord, to create a supernumerary post, because unless that is created, Lord, these
They
people
are
cannot
just
be
trying to be
accommodated.
difficult. Easily the vacancies. can
That
be
may
filled.
not be right. There are 11,000 posts,
Correct.
of which there are only 2,800 which are.
Ask your secretary to come. I think you are trying to evade it. Huh?
Yes.
We are getting an impression that you are trying
Yes.
to.
That page 87 of the.
Avoid. We'll give you the last and final opportunity. We'll list this matter immediately after vacation. In the meanwhile, file an affidavit.
And respondent number 4 is
You
the
don't
second
do
one,
that.
Lord.
We have filed.
No, I'm saying state.
Respondent number 4.
Lord, the lordship may also observe, Lord, that if need be, we can create supernumerary posts.
You do whatever you want. You comply with our order.
So without your lordship's observation, Lord, it will not be
No need
possible.
for our
to
They are just
create
trying to be
posts.
difficult,
Ah.
my Lord. There is nothing.
There is no need for any observation. If you want to comply with the court's order, it is a legitimate obligation on your part.
In fact, on the
So
last,
an observation will help us, Lord, in
Legitimate order. If you need to do it, you do it. What prevents you from
my
it?
lords would recall when the last contempt was filed, my lords had said it was only about reappropriation. They had to
Who is my friend appearing for?
I'm for the original respondent.
He is nobody in the contempt. He's not a party.
I am the one who's appointed in the interim order.
He is not a party in the
I'll
contempt.
find it.
These are all
Nobody is
people to
asking
queer
you
the
to do your
pigs.
job.
Will not.
They are trouble. Yes, yes,
We will list it in the first week of January.
correct.
Mr. Dwivedi,
My Lord, what is
Yes.
happening is
good that you have come in. Now see that. Tell the government to comply with it.
Lord, the government is just
Do that,
wanted an
do that.
observation.
There is
Lord.
nothing, no prohibition with respect to what you want to do.
Kindly just indicate, Lord, that if need be, Lord, state may create supernumerary posts for that.
The state shall take such steps as may be necessary for complying with the
That's all right.
order of this court
4th
dated
4th
4th April 2025.
May I interrupt, my lord? May I interrupt, my lord?
in the
My
meantime,
lord,
what has
my
happened?
lord,
They have started a fresh
in
process.
an IAS matter, my lord.
Now not
My
do
lord,
it.
in another matter,
Don't expand the.
All right, then your lordship may
expand
just
this
post it in the
process.
first week, my lord. Let us see what happens. Yes, grateful.
Don't do it. You know,
Lord,
Grateful.
my lord, your lordship may say, failing which he will come.
We will do.
All
the
right,
Dwivedi is there.
all right,
It will be done now.
Carry the cross.
all right,
With this observation, it will be done.
all right. I take that.
Grateful, my lords. Deeply grateful.
Grateful.